If I could take away the pain and put a smile on your face, baby, I would. Baby, I would. If I could make a better way so you could see a better day, baby, I would. Baby, I would. Baby, do we?
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make your toolbar transparent on Windows Vista, and it's really easy, but I just want to show you guys in case you did not know. So first what you're going to do is you're going to do right click, okay, and then do personalize. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go to window color and appearance, it's the first one. And then after you've done that, you're going to pick any color you want because obviously it's going to be transparent, so you won't see the color at all. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick whatever color you want, and then you're going to put the color intensity all the way down. Okay, you're going to put the color intensity all the way down, and make sure enable transparency is checkmark, or else it will not be transparent, and it will be just a solid color. So yeah, make sure that is checkmarked, and then you click OK, and then your toolbar will be transparent. So comment, like, and subscribe, comment what tutorials and hacks I should do next, and please request tutorials because, please request stuff to do a tutorial on because I don't know what to do tutorials on, and I have a lot of time to do tutorials because it is spring break. So yeah. Bye.